What's good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. I'm gonna start pumping out a whole bunch just because. So we got a 2007 Honda Civic LX. I gotta put a radio, 2 speakers, but what I'm gonna emphasize on this one is the backup camera. We're gonna show you how AO Designs does backup cameras and how we do them right. But we will be putting in a double din, so you'll see that. 2 speakers in the front. This is for a kid who's graduating high school. Good friend of mine, his son's graduating. But we're gonna go and put a backup camera right there. So let's get it. We'll show you the ins and outs of reverse backup camera, wire, the whole shebang, all right? Let's go. All right, y'all, so this is what we're going to install. My first time installing this brand. I started carrying this one here a few weeks ago. Safety First is the brand. They look pretty good, but we're going to see how it works out. We have a video cable though that we need to run along with this from the back to the front. I'm going to start in the back. Sometimes you can start behind the radio if you want, work your way, it doesn't matter. But let's start in the back by the license plate and work our way to the front, get everything all nice and pretty and ran, and then we'll crack open the radio stuff and deal with that. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so as you can see, took out the license plate. Also took out this plastic piece that went across here, because it looks like there is a spot right here to drill the hole for the wires to go through. Actually, right in here where I usually run it, there is a whole bunch of components and stuff, so we'll stay away from that. But this little piece here is mounted onto right above the license plate. There's a 10mm bolt right here that comes out. It's attached to that. That comes out, and then there's a bunch of little clips, these little white clips here. That all comes out. So now we will drill a hole right here, seal it all up, and that's where we'll run the wires and start coming down this way and then up to the front. All right, let me get that going. And just like that, y'all, backup camera is all mounted. You saw the picture, I got a grommet in there, filled it all in. So it's all sealed up behind there. Now we got the wire ran following the factory wire, all loomed, coming down the side here. Then what's gonna happen is it breaks off. Well, we have one video cables going up forward. We'll have another wire going up forward as well. Here is the harness for the reverse light. It is a tan, I'd say brown, sorry, not tan, brown wire with black. The black is the negative, the brown is the positive. This would be your reverse trigger. This is gonna turn on the camera and the trigger for the radio when you hit it in reverse. So I will connect these wires here and also run a wire up with the video cable, and then we'll start putting in the radio. All right, let's go. And just like that, y'all, we are all done. Like I said, this video is just to show you how to do a backup camera. I did put in this new JVC radio. I will be putting in some speakers, but like I said, this was just to show you how we do a backup camera. So I ran those 2 wires up, connected them to the back along with all the other stuff, and now she works. The lid is flipped up, so that's my ceiling. But you get the picture. Hey, click like, share, subscribe. Anthony Lyons, AO Designs. I'll be back with another video, and then an update on my Tundra. Remember, I got a huge build going on in the Tundra. It's about 80% done. I should be doing a video or 2 here soon to show the update on that. It's coming along pretty good. Still got a long way to go though. So everybody have a good summer. Hope everyone is enjoying the World Cup. I know I am. Yeah, till next time.